So today we're going to look at synthetic division. So synthetic division is interesting because it says almost like a shorthand for long division of polynomials, but only in the special case where what we're dividing by is a linear function. So in this case, we're able to do it because we have x squared minus 6x minus 1 divided by x plus 3, and x plus 3 is a linear function. Right? It's linear. Okay, so now how do we do synthetic division? There's a bit of a process with synthetic division. First, we need to look at our linear function x plus 3. And determine the 0 of x plus 3. And in this case, it's negative 3. Okay. So now that we have that, we're going to write out our function x squared minus 6x minus 1. So this is just a setup. Okay. And we're going to take the coefficients of each term. So the 1, the negative 6, and the constant term negative 1. We're going to write them down. We're going to place this vertical line here and our 0 of our x plus 3. So our negative 3. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to bring the first coefficient 1 down. We're going to take our negative 3 and multiply it by our 1. That gives us negative 3. A negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. I'm going to put that value up here. Now we're going to add negative 6 and negative 3, and that gives us negative 9. So next we're going to take our negative 3 and multiply it by our negative 9. That gives us 27. We're going to put that value up here. And now we're going to add negative 1 and 27. And what do we get? We get 26. So this is our remainder. So therefore, x squared minus 6x minus 1 divided by x plus 3 equals x minus 9, and we get that from here, plus 26 over x plus 3. All right, let's try one more. So here we're asked to use synthetic division to determine if x plus 5 is a factor of this polynomial 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 17x minus 10. All right, so we want to determine, or what we want to do is divide x plus 5 into this polynomial. And if our remainder is 0, then yes, x plus 5 is a factor of our polynomial. We're going to use synthetic division. We can because x plus 5 is a linear factor. First, x plus 5 equals 0. Our root is negative 5, so we're going to use that value. We're going to bring our coefficients of our polynomial down, so 2, negative 13, 17, and negative 10. Over negative 5 over here, and let's begin. Okay, so we're going to bring our 2 down. So negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. We're going to bring that value up there. We're going to add. We get negative 23. Right, so 5 times negative 23. Let's see, what is that? 5 times negative 3 is 115. Okay, we put that value up there, and we're going to add 17 and 115, and we get 132. It's not looking good. All right, so negative 5 times 132 is negative 660. We're going to add negative 10 to that. We get negative 670. This is not 0. Not equal to 0. and this is our remainder. Therefore, x plus 5 is not a factor of our polynomial 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 17x minus 10. What we can say is we want 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 17x minus 10 divided by x plus 5 equals, okay, what does it equal? It equals 2x squared minus 23x plus 132 plus negative 670 over x plus 5. That's quite messy. Okay, good. That brings us to the end of our session. If you have any questions, send us a note at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call day or evening. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you soon.